another day of Vlogmas. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I am getting over a cold. Well, I feel a lot better now. It's just that lingering, annoying cough, so I have a cough drop in my own mouth right now. I should show, they actually work really well. Okay, I'm at a stoplight. These Mucinex ones have been working really well as a cough suppressant. So I thought for the vlog for today, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna try a new recipe for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna show you that. And then later on in the evening, I am going to start wrapping because I want to get that, you know, going. So I did buy, and you probably have already seen by this point, I did buy my wrapping stuff. So I want to start that to make sure that I have enough. So I'm not like pressed for time if I run out of wrapping paper, whatever. I need to go get more. So get that started. Also, we're doing a cookie exchange for my work. So I'm going to be baking those cookies tonight. I'm going to be doing a sugar cookie, but then just like a mix, but to kind of jazz it up, I'm going to be adding in like chopped up peppermint bark. Give it a little, you know, holiday flair. So that's kind of the plan for the night. I'm on my way home from work now, on my way to daycare to get the kiddos. So I will check back in with you later. I'm going to try a new recipe tonight. You know, roasted Brussels sprouts and garlic butter steak bites. Hang on, it's dirty. We'd have to wash it. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna start making the cookies for my work cookie exchange. Just keeping it super simple, doing a box sugar cookie mix, and then to make it a little bit fancier, adding in these peppermint bark mix-ins. Gotta make it festive. Use our cute little Christmas spatula. So the dough's all mixed up, and I'm gonna add in the chocolate. Whatever, whole bag. Cookies are all done. They are looking good, so hopefully I can find maybe like a cookie tin that I can put these in, but these are ready to go. I'm set up to start wrapping some presents now. So what I'm focusing on right now first is my Secret Santa for my work. So the girl that I had, well, all of us had to fill out a questionnaire about ourselves, like things we like, don't like, whatever. So, I mean, I feel like that was helpful to people, you know, buying gifts for your coworkers. So here is her thing. So I just kind of went, and these seem kind of silly, like you see like the dill pickle chips here. But her favorite things she listed as dill pickle chips for snacks, things that, you know, small tokens of appreciation. Ideas would be candles, lotions, and cups. Can never have enough socks, things like that. So, and then she also said like her favorite hobby is eating snacks and watching shows. So I got her favorite snack, so the dill pickle chips. So hopefully she likes that. And then I did the candles, cups, and lotions, you know, ideas. So this candle I got from Home Goods. It smells really good. It kind of smells like a cologne. This lotion, this is actually one of my favorite scents, the Tropic Glow by Tree Hut. And then I still can't get over this cup. I kind of want to get this for myself. This like great like Starbucks bedazzled dupe. So I love that, but it's also like festive for Christmas. And then I felt like you can't go wrong with some fuzzy socks. So these are super soft. Then we're also doing an ornament exchange. So I thought this was really cute. I got this from Target. This little like white truck with the Christmas tree and the presents in the back. I thought this was perfect. And this is kind of like, I felt, I don't know, gender neutral, I guess. So for whoever gets it. And then Collins and Luke are doing a gift exchange in each of their classes at daycare. And so it was like a $10 limit. I think these were like $6 a piece. And so they're like mess-free marker and coloring book, and they asked for them to be, or at least Luke's class did, ask for the gifts to be like educational, coloring, craft supplies, like things like that. So I went with this. A Baby Shark, probably do that for Luke's class, and then Toy Story for Collins's class. That is what we're doing now. I'm gonna put on the Santa Claus while I wrap gifts here. Got a couple candles burning here. And then this candle, I think I showed this in my, maybe the vlog before this or two before this. I found this candle at Home Goods, and honestly, it just like kind of spoke to me because for one thing, the container is like beautiful, and I was like, ooh, I can reuse that if I make more candles myself. And then it was like these angel numbers was the theme. They had like the 4s, like different ones. But I can't tell you how many times I have been seeing the angel numbers, like repeating ones. So I don't know. This honestly just like called out to me, and I felt like I had to have it. So, and it's beautiful too. I'm gonna get to work on all this now, and I'm definitely up way past my bedtime, but that is, you know, the week of Christmas. We gotta get it done. So let's get to work. So I did get a good bit of wrapping done, so this stuff is going to stay down in the basement. I may wrap a few more other things tonight, but that's going to be all for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.